Since 2002, ProTec Group of Companies has been founded to serve as a manufacturer and distributor of automotive equipment and replacement parts. ProTec Group, which is located in Shah Alam, Malaysia, has very much benefited from the ever-industrializing industry of the country. Being less than an hour away from the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA, and Port Klang gives it an added advantage and convenience. Since ProTec Group's inception in 1997 as a private concern, we now host agents and maintain warehouses overseas, namely in Miami, USA, and Blackburn, United Kingdom. Our core operations boast high quality and state-of-the-art technologies that produce original equipment and replacement parts for the automotive industry. The items manufactured and distributed are ignition wire components, ignition wire sets, and ignition coils. The trade names that ProTec uses are ProTec, Vortec, and SportTrack. ProTec has the capability to design components that are produced in the company. We use computer-aided design (CAD) programs to design parts after careful deliberation with our engineering team. Product functionality, quality, and manufacturing processability are our main concerns in our design approach. Our APQP team meets on a weekly basis to ensure each department are well informed and coordinated on new product developments. ProTec maintains a complete lab to test ignition wire components and wire sets according to ISO 3808 and ISO 6856 standards. We are also capable of testing our products to SAE, JIS, and other specific standards required by automakers. Among our test equipments are freezer, ozone tester, heat aging oven, high voltage tester, salt spray unit, and tensile tester, etc. Our video measuring equipment is used to ensure correct dimensions are taken for critical dimensions or parts that calls for precise dimensions. Training is an important part for ProTec. We train our staffs on a daily basis to ensure that everyone is well equipped to do their job effectively and efficiently. ProTec Industries SDN BHD runs the molding division. In the material preparation process, the materials are weighed and milled. The exact dosage of curing agent, color pigments, and release agents are milled for a predetermined time, producing a consistent mix. The molding process is done using one of the 4 types of machines in the facility, including the transfer molding, injection molding, and cold runner flashless molding facility. In line with its quality objective, ProTec strives to use the most effective and efficient molding techniques to ensure its competitiveness in the industry. In the trimming process, the ignition components are trimmed using the cryogenic deflashing machine. This machine is a state-of-the-art machine that uses nitrogen to freeze this component to below 120 degrees Celsius. This is to minimize handling of product and hence eliminating the issue of over-under trim or accidental damage of product by sharp cutting tools. The excess edges of the component are then tumbled before going through a final inspection. For parts requiring assembly, such as resistor components, each resistor is inserted using pneumatic insertion machine, which comes with resistance check to ensure that all resistors are good. Resistor insertion levels are also checked in this station to ensure a proper position of resistor in the assembly. In our final inspection, all parts are checked and put through a counting conveyor to ensure both quality and quantity are good before they are packed for delivery. Assembly of ignition wire sets for ProTec is done via Unipro Wire Industries SDN BHD production. We use wires that are imported from America and Europe for all wires that ProTec assemble. Wires are preheated and printed in-house to meet the needs for private labeling for our customers. Unipro utilizes semi-automatic cut and strip, as well as cut, strip, and crimp machines in its operation. Every process in the assembly line is checked from time to time to ensure wires are done according to specifications that are required. Periodic terminal retention test is conducted to ensure that crimping conforms to ISO 6856 standards. In addition, each wire sets are checked for conductivity using LCR meters, as well as leakage via the high voltage leakage tester before they are packed. We are able to barcode individual boxes depending on the need of our customers. Lastly, the final products are packed, labeled, and delivered to the warehouse. ProTec maintains a clean and organized warehouse that are equipped with necessary equipment to ensure that all raw materials as well as finished goods are properly stored. We are proud to say that we well established a large customer base throughout Malaysia and the world in the OEM and aftermarket sector. We distribute high-quality components to a wide number of automotive dealers and wholesalers throughout 42 countries, and this number is ever increasing. We are capable of making over 36 million pieces of boots and 1.2 million sets of wires annually. As part of making ProTec Group a competitive and world-known brand, we have participated in exhibitions such as the Automechanica trade shows in Dubai, Frankfurt, Shanghai, St. Petersburg, and New Delhi, as well as AMPA Taiwan, Mayan Auto, Phil Auto, and Cam Auto. ProTec believes that quality is the true measure of a world-class manufacturer. Therefore, in addition to our ISO 9001, we have also attained ISO TS 16949. As the automotive industry continues to make huge waves in Malaysia and around the world, ProTec is taking full advantage to strike when the iron is still hot to bring our manufacturing processes to greater heights and breakthroughs. We are confident with our technical know-hows, comprehensive product range, competitive prices, flexibility in product development, quality products, and short turnaround time. We are ProTec.